This would be a lot easier if I wasn't trying to pull you. Cooper, there's a log. Hey everybody, it's Dustin with Foothills Adventures. We are at Lake Roadhouse access today for a very non-planned impromptu fishing kayak day. There's Cooper, Caden's back there.
And I'm tied to you.
Yeah, he doesn't paddle much, so he's tied to me. Y'all want to see what's under the water?
Bleep.
Nothing. You can't see nothing. Anyway, I'm going to try to, since today is just, literally it's just about bringing the kids, let them do something, so.
Oh yeah, we forgot the bobbers.
I got bobbers in the tackle box.
Behind you.
Yep.
So let me just pull behind you.
Would you quit interrupting me? God.
Sorry.
So I'm gonna try to keep a count of how many fish and try to record some fish. It's a little hard recording on a kayak because I don't have the proper mounts and things. So, but Lake Roadhouse is really nice. It's real nice. And it's nice and quiet. So we're gonna keep it that way, and just do.
People come in with these crazy boats.
Interrupt us, sir. God.
Okay, I'll be interrupting some more.
Interrupting Calceth, what? Anyway, alright, let's get to fishing. Alright, so bait choice for today. Everybody's got some night crawlers. And we got some stinky catfish bait. So y'all don't know this, but Melinda, generally speaking, outfishes everybody all the time. It's just what she does. I'm gonna dual fish. Next time I'll try to have a little better, what do you call it? Camera equipment. Hey, hi.
The fish hook.
They're in the back. Oh, you're okay. You're turning. Yep. All right, I'm gonna flip y'all around so you can enjoy the nature instead of looking at my ugly mug. Just gotten word Mr. Caden has one, but he says it ate the hook, so let's go. Yeah, the first one was off camera. Where'd you catch him at? Under that log?
I just kind of threw it, and yeah, it was like in that area.
I think that's where my...
Well, if it ate the hook, I don't know if I got my needle nose pliers with me, so we'll probably have to, here, hold on. I'll probably have to cut it. The only thing Cooper's catching is an appetite. Show me your sandwich, Cooper. Is that a good day on the lake?
And some breakfast.
Alright, lift him up. Oh yeah, he swallowed it. Alright, put him in the water.
Hello. Sit tight.
Are you just gonna eat all day?
I got two.
He's like, and I got pretzels. You know, we're only like an hour and a half in now, and Cooper's giving up on fishing. He's done. But at least he's outside enjoying things, which is a plus. It came off the hook? Well, hold on, I'll come look at him. Well, I was coming to look at it. You already got it off the hook?
Yes.
Well, dadgummit. I wanted to see it. What kind was it?
Don't want the spiny back.
Spiny backs. Yep, I know exactly what that is. Okay. Now, we're using the same daggum worms, so whatever you're doing it better than everybody else, because you got 3. I think everybody else is at 0. So far, sir, you are the winner. I don't know what you win. You win bragging.
I win affection.
Yes, affection and bragging rights. So good job. I got to reel in because Cooper just got one. So let's go see what Mr. Cooper got. He don't like getting fish off of hooks. I'm coming. Well, it means it's kind of where they're bedding down at. They could have like a place where they lay their little eggs or whatever.
It's in like his lip.
That was a log. I saw it.
It's in the post of his lip.
In the top of his lip?
Yeah, it's like on his lip.
Oh, bring him back here. That looks like a croaker.
Okay, just live your last few minutes.
Well, we're not gonna eat him, bud. Look at him. You almost hooked him through the eye.
I've done that before.
You pretty much did hook him through the eye, Cooper. Poor fella. He was just trying to get something to eat.
What?
Kiss him. It's for good luck. Kiss him. Hurry. Mwah. I kiss him. There he goes.
You were a good friend. Now slide that back down.
Just slide your worm back down.
Yeah,
I've done that a bunch too.
But yes, I finally caught a fish again. Thanks for letting me use it.
All right, so score now is
3-1.
3-1. Shush, boy. Well, I'm spending too much time getting y'all's stuff untangled or off the hook or... Hey, how about you let me... Well, the rain's picking up now. Probably only have... The thunderstorm's supposed to be here at like 3:30. I think I gotta check the weather. We're just starting to get a little wet, but it's fine. Melinda just loving life way down there, all by herself, where it's quiet. We're gonna try to do this just us. Maybe we won't be untangling and getting stuff off the hook so much eventually. Go, Cooper, go. You good? Yeah.
You have a thing on?
What thing on? Dude, you can't just ram me.
Oh, I sure can.
Well, you sure can. You got a sandwich in the back of your kayak. Back behind your foot. Throw it out.
Little one?
It's a sandwich. The fish eat it. It's just bread. Are you gonna, yep, okay. You're gonna put it on your hook, aren't you? You have to make like what they call a bread triangle. You know what that is?
Nope.
You just smush the bread all around the hook.
Yep. 2 things.
Well, at least you and Caden caught a fish today.
2 things that 1 thing.
Jackson didn't, me didn't, and Melinda didn't.
2 things fish can't resist. Bread, worms.
Bread and worms? Well, we'll see. Alright, well. Time to go? Time to go. Let's go to the pier or the dock. Oh, Melinda's gonna race us. Go, Melinda, go. Go, Cooper, go. Can you beat Melinda, Cooper? Don't cut him off. Boating accident. Don't hit her. Easy. So not a great day for kayaking, not a great day for fishing, but kind of seeing why we had the lake to ourselves today. I know I should have brought my other mount so my paddle wouldn't be in your guys' way and you could see. What, Cooper? No, we can't do jousting. Let's go get Judy, get the trailer. He wants me to tow him. I ain't towing him. Cooper's got a rope on the front of his, and he ties his rope to the back of mine so I can drag him around the lake.
I'm lazy. What's your name?
Let me know when you get it. You got it yet? It ain't got to be fancy, it's just got to be tied. We're not fishing, Jack. Oh, okay. Try to stick it behind you. Okay.
Try it.
You good now, Cooper?
Yeah, try it.
Alright. Let's see if I can start pulling him. You make this a lot harder, Cooper. Let's see if we can. Why? Your rope come off. Come on, dude. I ain't got all day. Let's go. Just paddle. You ain't gotta go fast. I'll go with you. Here, you pass me and then I'll catch up to you and I'll try to push you. You go in front of me and I'll try to catch up and push you. Well, quit turning. Go straight. I'm getting soaked out here. That ain't gonna work. Come on, Cooper, let's go. This will be a lot easier if I wasn't trying to pull you. Cooper, there's a log. All right, you got to paddle yourself in from here.
Oh,
Yeah, seriously.